Alright everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are going to be doing a trade breakdown for my US 30 Dirty 30 signal as well as NOS 100. Today was basically $1,800 in profit. Took a loss out of the gates with NOS 100. This one did hit take profit one, but then she pushed up and I was about to get stopped out and I just closed the trade. But then I jumped in then on US 30. So I sent two signals today, two sell signals, basically because the way the market was basically setting up, I just liked it much better. Looking at the Telegram here, which is what you see on the left hand side. So this is obviously my private VIP Telegram group on the left hand side. People have the option to join it if they want. It is the very first link below this YouTube video where I send my signals and alerts day in and day out with my areas of take profit as well as my chart. So look at this thing on the bigger time frame with US 30 and NOS 100. NOS 100, look at the chart here. What do we see? Obviously, we had a nice little squeeze up pre-market, so it's pushing up really nice pre-market. Obviously, you guys know I don't want to chase this thing, especially with yesterday. Yesterday, basically, NOS 100 made the same move. So I was looking for a sell-off today, looking to sell it here at 15916.62. Looking for a drop down is basically what I wanted. This one did move nice. It did hit take profit one, but then it instantly retraced, pushed back over the highs, and squeeze up to basically my what would have been my stop loss. So I cut this trade off, which was extremely frustrating. I was in NOS 100 first before I jumped in on US 30. So US 30, very similar. US 30 had a nice little push up. Again, I don't want to chase it. Yes, you could buy it and then it could keep squeezing, or you could buy it and it could dump. So in this case, I was obviously watching this from a sell standpoint. Fast forward, you guys will see that this is exactly what I mean with US 30. US 30 when the market US 30 squeezed up. So US 30 was already running away from me. It squeezed up to the high of 36,161 before pulling back, hitting that entry again. Take profit one, take profit two, take profit three, which is exactly what you will see right there. So US 30 was obviously the breadwinner today. Look at the bigger chart, bigger time frame. NOS 100 was interesting because it ended up coming down. So not only did when NOS, see, if I would have held on longer with NOS 100, then obviously she retraced hardcore and did finally have that drop down. But you have to cut it off because at some point you don't know if it's going to keep running. So you have to respect the rules, have to respect your stop loss. So 3 tips I want to talk about in this YouTube video. Obviously that's what the thumbnail is about, is 3 trading tips, especially with surviving a choppy market. 1, cut your trading loss. If you think you have to have some sort of stop loss, right? Whether it's a mental stop or hard stop. I told my members, right? I told my members right here in the Telegram group. Where did I see it? I told everyone no fill on, basically going to be eating the loss on NOS 100. Was looking for the same setup yesterday compared to the charts. And basically market was choppy today. So I knew that I'd basically be stopping this. I knew once she started squeezing up, I would basically have to cut it off, right? I would have to cut it off, right? So I need to, you always need to cut that trade off. And you can always, the best tip I can give you guys is that you can always enter the trade. A lot of people feel like they have to hold on to the trade. Cut it off. Cut it off. You can always enter the trade, or you can enter another trade. So in this case, I took a loss on NOS 100. US 30 was basically coming down, right? US 30 made a squeeze up and then started retracing, so I jumped in US 30 and made the profit on the downside and basically made back my entire loss plus profit. Once that happened, tip number 2, walk away from the market. I'm completely done with the day. I'm not going to revenge trade. I'm not going to try and make more money. I'm not going to try and push my luck, right? Market fooled me once. I got it the second time. I'm not going to let it try and fool me the third time. So that's a quick little trading recap. Basically, my trades, my signals that went down today. Best thing I could tell you guys every single trade, every single day, is take what the market gives you, right? Never try and force it. Respect your rules, respect your stop loss. And third and final tip is I was telling my members this in our recent mastermind class, is that tell yourself how much do you want to lose every single day. What's the most you're willing to risk every day? If you tell yourself you're willing to risk $100 every single day, then the best thing you do is put a $100 bill in front of you on your trading desk. By you visually seeing that $100 bill, you tend to appreciate more how much a $100 loss really is. It's a lot different mentally to see a $100 negative, $100 loss in your trading account versus seeing the $100 bill. Like it hits you mentally different. Seeing the actual physical money in front of you versus seeing a $100 loss on the actual computer screen. So again, do that. And I promise you guys, it will definitely help you in being more disciplined and following your rules and cutting your trading losses. But that's it for this YouTube video. Hopefully it helps and educates you guys. If you guys liked it, give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel. If you guys are interested in joining my private VIP Telegram group, it's going to be the very first link below this YouTube video. We are going to be raising the prices here very shortly because I'm 80% positive that going into 2024, I'm going to be offering more live trading for my members every single morning. But again, that is 80%. We are there. But that's it for this YouTube video, guys. See you in the next one. Cheers.